wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best streamer kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, a compact solution for those interested in using their phones to capture video. The Neewer Live Broadcast has an LED ring light that can switch between cool and warm color temperatures, depending on which you think best complements your face. It comes with 3 adjustable goosenecks and draws power over USB. However, it does have a somewhat fragile build. At number 9, if you don't have a lot of space to set up in, the StreamTime equipment will prove to be a smart choice. It comes with a small camera and beauty light that both clip onto surfaces like flat computer screens or the edges of tables. It shoots in 1080p and offers 3 brightness settings, but it is somewhat cheaply made. Coming in at number 8 on our list, despite its small size, the Tascam US42 Min Studio Creator has some useful features, most notably 48-volt phantom power for condenser mics and onboard effects like reverb, compression and equalization. Its trigger pads are even velocity sensitive. It boasts 24-bit audio recording and hybrid XLR TRS inputs. However, the sound quality from the mics is not great. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for streamer kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Marantz Professional Turret System provides users with a camera, a light and a microphone, all attached to a central tower. That makes for a fast setup, but transportation can be a bit of a pain, since there's no real way to break it all down easily. It features full HD resolution videos and compression that smooths out streams, but making adjustments may shake images. Moving up our list to number 6, the Blue Microphones Bluebird SL bundle utilizes one of the best mics in its class, with a large diaphragm, a 20 decibel pad and a low-pass filter. The Platinum package includes a fine box for its storage too, as well as a sanitizer for cleaning between uses. It comes with a spider-style shock mount and a boom with 38 inches of reach. It's also great for home music studios. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Rode NT1A comes with one of home recording's most beloved USB interfaces, the Focusrite Scarlett, which can send a clean digital signal to your computer without much discernible lag. That's a nice feature if you want your voice to accompany a fast-paced video game. It includes a 1-inch diaphragm capsule, sound-absorbing foam, and a pop screen that softens plosives. At number 4, if you know that you're planning to edit whatever it is you record before uploading it, you'll appreciate the duo of Samsung reference monitors that come with the Behringer Podcaster bundle. The mixer could be better quality though. This one's equipped with one XLR input and a presence adjustment knob. However, the desktop stand's legs are a bit thin. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, though it doesn't come with a camera, lights or a microphone. If you want to broadcast from multiple cameras, the Sling Studio Hub Production Unit outfits you with an interface that connects wirelessly to its inputs, so your camera operators are free to roam. It includes lens cleaning tools and 3 camera links, along with excellent production software. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for streamer kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Zoom H4n Handy Recorder Bundle is designed for use recording interviews for podcasts and other media, so it comes with a pair of microphones, stands and cables to complement its handheld tracking device with dual XLR inputs. This is a smart portable option with a backlit LCD readout and a 1-year warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the PreSonus Studio Live AR8 is a comprehensive package built around a high-quality mixer, and it comes with an excellent software set for post-production, making it easy to edit your recorded sessions to sound as good as possible. It includes a Marantz MPM 1000 microphone, open-backed Samsung headphones, and a great plug-in suite. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for streamer kits, or simply click beneath this video.